welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll tell you how you can overcome any kind of language barrier if you're studying abroad in a country where you don't speak your home language. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing to do is very basic, is to actually use plain language. So even if, for example, your home language, for example, is Hindi, there might be some words even now which you cannot understand, so it becomes very difficult when you are in some other country and you try to use complex words. So the best thing you can do is to actually keep the language very simple. If you are in France and you don't really know French, don't try to use very complex words. Just try to make yourself express yourself in language which is very basic and has very minimalistic and simple words. The next thing you can do is, of course, make friends who actually speak the language. So if you make really good friends who speak the language which you don't understand, you can talk to them, you can be around them, and just by being in that company, you'll be able to learn the language in a much faster way. Even if you were to go to a college, do the course in the language, being with friends and learning the language with them is a much easier and faster way as compared to that. The next thing to do is to not actually be shy. So if you are in people and you are hesitant to talk in the language, it's very normal actually to be making mistakes, because if you are in people who actually understand that you are from a country where you don't speak that language and you're trying, the people will actually be understanding and be actually friendly with you and actually help you learn the language even better. But if the people around you are judging you or laughing at you or mocking you, you certainly don't want to be around these people. Change your company and get into people who actually help you out in things. The next thing you can do is to actually get yourself a language dictionary. Either you can buy it for yourself or you can get it from a local library if you can. Make sure you spend at least 10 to 15 minutes per day in understanding the different words, different languages, so that it is easier for you in the long term to actually be able to communicate in the language. Consider giving 10 to 15 minutes per day, and within a span of a year, for example, after you completed your degree and then you go for a job, you'll be very well equipped with the language so that you can get a job in the country as well. The next thing to do is to learn and repeat. So learning something is very important when it comes to actually understanding and applying it. So learn the language, go for it, try it out, speak, talk to different people in the language, and keep on learning, keep on repeating the process so that you get very good at it. Without repetition, you cannot get good at anything, and so is language. And last but not the least, guys, you can of course use technology like Google Translate. If you want to say something and you really don't know how to say that, go on Google. If you are in Germany, for example, make sure you do the necessary information input which you have to do. For example, English to German. Type what you want to say. For example, where am I right now, or where is the nearest hotel, etc. Click on the button, the Google will translate it from English to German. Then what you can do is that use this audio or what is written over there and show it to a stranger who you want to ask for information. This is very easy. This will over time help you learn the language as well, because when you go through this process time and time again, you'll hear, you'll read, you'll see, and eventually you will learn as well. Because these are a few things that you can of course apply if you want to overcome the language barrier. These are very simple. Now, even if it sounds overwhelming, once you start applying these things, you'll find out that these are very easy to apply and are very helpful as well. So if you have any other doubts related to this, feel free to let us know in the comment section given below. Also guys, if you're liking the content, do not forget to give this a thumbs up. Also share this video with someone you think might find it helpful. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because we'll be coming out with such information time and time again. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.